The annual dance competition among the tribal students. Initially, we had screening at the level of subdivisions and later on at the level of districts. उसके बाद all the successful teams are going to compete here at the state level today. This is a state level annual dance competition conducted amongst the tribal students. So whoever is going to win in the competition today will be awarded by our Honorable CM in tomorrow's program. So here the teams from various parts of the state have already arrived. They arrived last evening only, and we have accommodated them here in Agartala, and today for the next 7-8 hours this competition will go on. So it's going to be a very colorful and fantastic evening, and all the young talent in dance is going to be showcased here on this stage. So I welcome everyone here to Rabindra Bhawan to witness this gala event. Thank you.